Hello guys, finally I'm back again, and in the last tutorials I started building the Koenigsegg Jesco, but then I stopped doing it because I got into something else. I got busy with something. However, I got something for you, something really cool. I've been building this for a couple of weeks now, and I'm completely changing my channel at the moment. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring you along with this design because it's just find it easier for me to build it, and then this way I can get the job done a lot quicker. This particular car here is completely 3D printed, and that's exactly how I designed it. I already 3D printed the wings. I got the wings, and I'm going to work on the wing holder here. I will send some pictures, probably upload some pictures about the finished product of the wing. So let me show you how big the car is, so you have an idea, and then you can 3D print it yourself. And from now on, I believe I'm gonna be doing this type of thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the step-by-step tutorial at this point anymore, and just because if you go through my tutorials by now, you should be able to be up to this point. So as you can see, so we're looking at the black one here, the black line. That says that is 10 speed free from the front splitter and the wing spoiler in the rear. This line here, and as you can see, it's about 973.58 millimeter. So it's quite big. It's just a little bit less than 1 meter, and you can imagine what's the width of it. In terms of thickness of the body itself, I try to keep everything at about so I try to keep everything in about the thickness of the body to be 2 millimeter. So the body is 2 millimeter in thickness. The print is going really good, and the wing spoiler here is actually because I segmented the whole car up. Actually, it's a lot thinner. It's actually only 3 millimeter because I realized you don't need that. I don't need that much thickness on that. But you can redesign it for yourself how thick you want it. Because on this design, the thickness is 11.6. It's almost 10. It's almost 1 centimeter. We don't need that much thickness on that. And again, the thickness of the wing spoiler itself is about 3 mil. It's about 2 mil. About 2 mil is very sufficient. So if I go down here, I can find there you go. That's the one. So I bring this up here. I use this grid. I use this grid here to split all the parts, all the car up into individual pieces, so it can fit on the parts can fit onto the printer I have is a Creality S1 Pro, so my bed is about 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter, and by height on the z-axis is about 270 millimeter. So if I open up there you go. So if I open up the split parts, it's all here, which I saved. So I split all the parts, and all the parts are here, which is 3D printable. So when I take a part from here, I open it up and I save it as an STL file. And that STL file, then I load that STL file into my slicer software, which I'm using is the Ultimaker Cura 572, and that works really well. I don't know which printer you have. If you have a bigger printer, then you can fit maybe more parts inside. So all the parts are here on this one. All the parts are here. I'm not giving it away for free. You can buy this whole design and all the parts in one package. You can buy it on my shop. I'm selling it on Etsy. So if you buy the whole, I'm going to upload all the package, all these files onto Etsy, so you can buy it there. I'm gonna sell it for too much. I'm gonna sell just the files for about 10 British pound, maybe 15 British pound. Okay, and because it took me quite a little bit of effort to put this together, and then if you, because I'm still working on it, I only have the wings so far, and this part here I'm working on. Once I finish the whole car, the wheels and everything, with this particular car, I want to make all the mechanical components on the inside as well, and then it will be electric. So I'm planning to put 2 big batteries inside with a really big brushes, obviously. So this is what I have for you guys, and then there's some other projects I'm doing that are also 3D printable. Okay, so I will leave a link in the description for my shop where you can buy this whole car and all the parts that I already split. So then you can buy it and 3D print it yourself. Or if you want, you can probably just buy it. Looking at from here, you probably cannot. It's quite a big tree here. But yeah, if you come to my shop, you can buy it in my shop, and I will try to try to keep you updated with the progress of what I 3D printed so far. And from now on, I'm going to upload the parts that are actually 3D printed, and then I'm going to upload once I build the interior structure as well. I'm working on another project as well, which I will show in the next video. And then I hope you're gonna be happy with this one, and see you in the next one.